I'm Nancy Berger with the University of Illinois Extension. S'mores are typically a fall campfire favorite. Put a summer twist on this classic recipe and create strawberry s'mores. Ingredients: 2 strawberries, 1 graham cracker broken in half, 1/8 cup yogurt, low-fat vanilla, 2 tablespoons. Wash hands with soap and water. Rinse the strawberries in water. Slice the strawberries. Add the yogurt and strawberries to half of graham cracker. Top with the other half of graham cracker. Enjoy immediately.
Eat, Move, Save.